Corona is very dangerous. Roads of the city are very bad. People are looking very sad. Students are very confused, and every time we use the word very, and it makes our conversation very unprofessional. So let us remove very to improve our conversation and sound more fluent. But before we start, I request you all to stay with me and watch this video till the end, and also take part in the activity given here. So let us see the words we are going to replace with very. The first word is very confused, and let us see how can it be replaced with an advanced word. Hey, what happened? Why are you looking so confused? I am perplexed the way my friend reacted for no reason at all. Oh, really? So we use perplexed when someone is utterly confused or puzzled. And the other sentence for this will be, the disease has continued to perplex doctors. The second one is very dry. Let's see, how do we replace it? Why? Very few plants can grow here. It is arid land, so only few plants can grow here. Oh. So we use arid when the land is without moisture, very dry. And the sentence for this can be, the reason for arid climate differs in different regions. The third one is very risky or very dangerous. And see, how do we replace it? Shall we start now? Okay, but outing these days is perilous. So don't forget to carry your PP kits along with you. I have it with me. So we use perilous when something is extremely risky or very dangerous. And the next sentence for this can be, the city roads have become even more perilous these days. The fourth one is very deep or very serious. Let's see, how is it replaced? Hey, what's the matter? Why looking so serious? You know, my teacher's profound words made me think about my future. Oh, that's really great. So we use profound when something is very serious, intense, or something very deep. And the sentence for this can be, she has a profound knowledge of literature. The fifth one is very sad or very depressed or even very upset, and see which advanced word can be used in place of it. Hey, listen, your friend looked very upset yesterday. Do you know the reason? She's not only upset, rather despondent, for she has lost her job recently and is going through a lot of financial crisis. Oh, that's really sad. So we use despondent for very sad, very upset, or somewhat very depressed. And the sentence for this can be, whenever I feel despondent, I call my friends to make me smile. The sixth one is very difficult, and see, how do we replace it? Hi, how was your trip? Oh my God, it was raining cats and dogs, so it was an arduous trip. Yeah, that's true. It has been raining for last 2 days. So we use arduous for something very difficult. And the other sentence for this can be, mastering English language is an arduous challenge, but it gets easier with regular practice. The practice you do with me. The seventh one is very careful. Most of the time people are found saying very careful. So let us see which advanced word can be placed instead of very careful. What do you think opting a job like teacher? If you are going to opt it, I should tell you that teaching job requires a meticulous person. That's true. So we use meticulous for the thing which is done in a detailed, attentive and in a careful manner. And the other sentence for this can be, I'm meticulous about preparing my videos for you and I wish you watch them carefully and share it with your family and friends. The eighth one is very weak. When somebody is suffering from some long illness, becomes very weak in body. So let us see which advanced word can be replaced with very weak. How is your grandfather now? He is frail after his long illness and needs a lot of care and support. Yeah, we need to do that. So we use frail for very weak. And the other sentence for this can be, it was so sad to see the once great man looking so frail. Ninth one is very high or very tall in size. So let us see which advanced word can be used in place of very high or very tall. Hey, do you remember who is this tall boy? Oh yes, I remember. He is John, who stood towering over the classmates in all school pictures. So we use towering for someone or something very tall or very high. And the other sentence for this can be, it's an extra advantage having Tina, the towering personality in our basketball team. The last one is very skilled or very proficient. And let us see which smart word can be replaced with this. How is your new manager? My new manager is adept at handling all issues perfectly. That's great. So, for a very skilled person, we use the word adapt. And the sentence for this can be, he has learnt a lot from his tough childhood. And now as an adult, he is adept at facing all challenges of his life. And now the activity is to write one sentence for each advanced word and post it in the comment box. And like this, you will be able to practice, and already we know that practice makes a man perfect. This is the best way of learning new words. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to write your comments regarding this video and also write your suggestions regarding your syllabus so that I could help you practice as per your question paper pattern and syllabus. See you soon in another video. Till then, bye bye.